Hello guys, how are you? It's very lengthy day. Yes, now summer is coming, so tell me in a comment box so what you gonna achieve because you look guys, you have to creative. Okay, you have to creative. You have to. You have to simply. If you really want to look guys, inside you, everyone you want to live an extraordinary life. Okay, I'm telling you, inside you, everyone want to live your extraordinary life. But if you live want to extraordinary life, then you have to become extraordinary, because it won't work like that. That you are working nothing and just always complaining, shouting, and always just uh, bad behavior with the people. Okay, so it's not very working anymore. So you have to creative. Okay, and look, English is compulsory now 2026, and English is a very compulsory language, so you must admit the fact that you really should speak. Look, we are making a sentence. Okay, here we are some sentence and there are some meaning, so make out. It's about you are understood something. It's about you are look, it's very disturbing that you are fighting someone. Look, it's very disturbing, and I'm telling you, just ignore them all. Just ignore them all, because it it will make you like always. I mean, I really can't describe that word, but you really always stop, have to ignore the fight. Just, be calm, be alone. Look, guys, I'm age of 30, okay? And I have seen this whole India, okay? I'm telling you, biggest hack your life. Live alone, be alone. Because end of the truth, this is end of the truth, this is you have to live alone. And don't think that if you just live alone, that who gonna carry you. No, money will carry you. Okay, if you look, if someone really wants to love you, he will carry you. Otherwise, if he she fake, they won't carry you. Simple. So always, just that's why I'm telling you, just be a creative so you can earn a more money, because that money will protect you. Okay, this is the life hacks. That's why I'm telling you, be a creative, be a skill, be a knowledgeable person. Okay, if you really want to live a good life, at least live a good life. If you really can't succeed extraordinary life, if you can't able to reach that kind of life, you are unable, live just at least a good life. Look guys, if you are a good tea maker, I'm telling you, if you are a good tea maker, that tea shop will give you everything. Look at the Dolly Chai Wala, the Bada Pav girl. Okay, where they are reaching. They are. Burj Khalifa. Dubai. Dubai really want to praise them, and Dubai people really appreciate them, that what kind of talent they have. Okay, so if you are a good team maker, only team maker, look, and if you have a good shop, then you can create a very good life. That's why I'm telling you, be a creative, be a skillful. Doesn't matter you have a degree or not. Okay, because this degree will give you what? This degree will give you what? 20, 25,000, 30,000, maximum 35,000, maximum 35,000, and it will take a huge time. So just think about your mind. Make up the leeway. Yes, it's about you just lost the time. Okay, you just lost the time. I mean, if you just lose the time, I mean, make up the leeway. I mean, yes, it's very sad that you have lost too much time. Look, guys, I drop out second year in college, okay, and I have no regret it. Simply, I'm telling you, no regret it, because I'm telling you a very big thing. Why I lived in second years? Because second year I understood that this education system will suck me. In second year I understood this thing simply very much, so that's why I decided to left it. And look, guys, if I would completed my 4 years and then have a degree, it won't help me. I mean, people I know with them very closely, too much struggle their life, so are you really want to live this kind of life? Okay. Oh, and look, their struggle will endless, because this loop will endless. Okay, this loop. I mean, people who are poor, what is this? This is a loop. Who created? Powerful people. Okay. Make up one mind. Yes, this is very important. You are decided to, I mean, very seriously. I mean, look, I decided to live my whole life alone. That's why I am totally being a self-sophisticated person. Whole life, I will only think myself. Because this is the biggest important thing I understood very much. The most important person in the whole world is me. The most caring person, if I have to care, then me. Because it's really important you are love yourself. Really important that you are loving yourself. Otherwise, it will harm you. Okay, it will really harm you. Make up one mind. Make a clean breast. Make a clean breast. Make a clean breast. It's about make a clean breast, like I mean, you committed something crime, and now you are telling the truth. Look, it's very unfortunate that, I mean, people who do this kind of thing, I mean, it's really feel sad for them. I really feel sad for them. I mean, I really feel sad for them, people who do commit crime, because something, my inner voice can say that they are not wrong. I mean, 17 and 80% people, I can say that they are not wrong, but or circumstances make them wrong. Because I mean, that's why I'm telling you, in this whole world there are a few people you will there see that they are intelligent and smart one. Otherwise, is this world is a full of stupid people, and stupid people always gonna be jealous, always will get want to harm you. They will always fight with yourself. Okay. So yes, thank you very much. And if you are learning and growing, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and tell me in comment box so what I should make a more content for you. Okay. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.